Hello, I'm Gary Holloway. I'm going to show you how to take the scratches out of the band where it gets scratched on the inside of your hand all by yourself. The only thing you're going to need is something hard and made of steel and highly polished. So you wouldn't try to use a silver spoon, but you could use a steel spoon. Don't use the flat bit, use the curved bit. Or something like this salad server, which has a polished steel handle, and it's something you can get a good grip on. However, I am going to use this screwdriver. Now, I'm going to show you in this still photo how badly scratched this ring is. And now I am going to burnish it. So I'm rubbing really hard. This might be a job for the man of the house. And burnishing by definition is polishing metal by rubbing. It's a common language word as well, but this is quite different to the normal sort of polishing that you might do if you took your ring to us or another jeweler to have it polished, because what we would do in that situation is we would emery the scratches out, which is taking metal away, and then simply polish it on a buff. All of which, if you do that 10 or 20 times, you won't have any band left. So this way, we're actually not removing any metal at all. So you can see I'm pushing really hard on this. And I have to turn the ring around so that I can get to the other side. And I'll probably do this for another minute or two. And I'll show you the still photo to see what the difference is. So you could do this at home. You can do it as many times as you like because it's not removing metal. The shinier the steel that you're using, the shinier the result you'll get on the ring. Kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Because what you're doing is you're smoothing it over.